Hello YouTube family, welcome to the retreat. So today I'm going to take you with a walk with me to Parque Hacienda Anikabil. All right, stay tuned. Adios, Bella. She refuses to walk with me, y'all. All right, so we are walking through a neighborhood in Coquel, and I'm just going to take you with me to Parque Hacienda Anikabil. And it's like a nifty little nature preserve, and it has some archaeological significance that I have to research. I have not as of yet, but you can do so as well. But in the meantime, kind of take a look at the neighborhood. This is where we're staying right now. And thus far, I love it. Bella doesn't love it so far, but I do. It's super peaceful, and it's close to big green spaces. I like big green spaces. We're like 10 minutes away from the zoo. As you're going to see here now, we're just like 5 minutes away from Parque Hacienda Anikabil. And there's also Anikabil Botanica Biologico, which is also about 10 minutes away. There's a little pedo down there. Did you see him? I don't know. I'm not sure if you saw the little dog. He meant me no harm. We're gonna cross just because I can see where there's some grass overgrown on that other side there. And I don't want to walk through it. We haven't walked through and done a walk through the neighborhood to see like which houses might be for rent. Cause I could see staying in Coquel. My only issue really is the internet. Oh my God, y'all. The internet. It's been the worst here, I think, of all the places that we've been in. And we've been in Centro, Juan Pablo 2, Las Americas 2, and Las Americas. And also a second trip to Juan Pablo at a different location. And this has certainly been the worst internet experience. I've had to buy like a little mobile hotspot just to be able to really work, even with the internet in the house. So, and I was warned by some of the other YouTubers that outside the periferico that the internet could be for shit, and y'all, it is for shit. For shit. All right, we're almost there. You see how close it is, y'all? You don't understand. Little simple things like being able to get to nature really makes me super happy. A car's coming, and y'all know my rule about not getting smushed. So for that reason, I'm not gonna cross yet. Okay, going to cross now. I did not get smushed. Yay on me. And here's a little auto place. There seems to be auto places everywhere. I don't need one. I don't have a car here. I have no desire to drive here. Although riding in other people's cars does stress me out, I have no desire to really drive. I can't understand the gloriettas, and I feel like I would cause an accident going like around the gloriettas. I really would. I feel like driving here would stress me out the same way that driving in Atlanta does. Like driving in Atlanta it makes me feel like I need to find Jesus real fast every time I drive in Atlanta. Okay, so this is it. We're here. See it? See it? Now, there are different entryways. There's one up there that's Cali 60th, but I'm going to go this way. I'm going to walk down a little bit because as you can see, it's being watered, and I really don't feel like being sprayed. Okay, we're crossing carefully. Kind of carefully. Oh no, it's still gonna get me, y'all. I'm about to get. Ooh. Okay, let's walk around. Oh, there's a path here. Ew, dog poop. Y'all dog people, please clean up after your stupid dogs, please. Could you please? Oh, there's a tiny little market there. The other day, Bella and I came here and we had walked here from, I don't know, we went some kind of circuitous route. Like we had gone, oh, I know, we went to a coffee shop that's on Cali 60, I think it's Cali 60, and it was a little bit further away. So we had taken a circuitous route and we were super thirsty when we got here. And I was like, there's one, there's one. But y'all know I didn't have any cash on me. I'm the worst. I don't like having cash. And I'm learning that is not on here in Merida. It's more of a cash city. You should have cash. And I'm trying to get better, but I have not yet. So I'm going to try. I will get better at toting cash. I got some cash on me now. So maybe I can stop by that market and get something. All right. And there's little playgrounds around here, all around Hacienda Anikabil. You know how they have those little outdoor. All right, so I don't know how much storage space my phone has on it. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of the Hacienda, which is why it's called Hacienda Anikabil, which is this orange house that I'm walking toward. Welcome to Hacienda Anikabil. This is the actual hacienda. As luck would have it, I had to record this video of Hacienda Anikabil over a few days, which gave me time to do a little bit of research, which I would love to share with you now. So apparently Hacienda Anikabil was built in the early 18th century, and it was constructed as an estancia, which is a corn and cattle ranch. Now, sometime in the early 19th century, it was incorporated into the Henicane Hacienda of Susula. That would have happened sometime after 1870. There was a major excavation and research project that occurred on the Hacienda Anikabil property around 2006. So the Hacienda Anikabil that you see today, if you come to visit it, is a totally renewed structure. Now, you can find some of these haciendas all over the Yucatan, but actually, Merida is the only state thus far that have taken measures to preserve the hacienda heritage. So, the city of Merida initiated a project in around 1996 to identify any former haciendas and to classify them as cultural heritage areas and to offer additional protections to them, refurbish them, and offer them up to the public to kind of come and view them, experience them, and learn a little bit about what they had to do with the Yucatan in the historical context. Hacienda Anikabil is in the neighborhood of Coquel. And if you ever come to Hacienda Anikabil, be sure to go to this little store that's right across the street. They sell wonderful fresh juices that they'll make for you. They're very friendly, great products. So be sure to visit that little store that I'm filming for you right now. It's La Terraza de Anikabil. Please tell them that Terry and Bella sent you. I think they'll get a kick out of that. So I'm walking along the outside perimeter of Hacienda Anikabil now, heading back to our current Airbnb. We'll be leaving there this morning and going to our next location. And I can tell you we will really miss Coquel. We've enjoyed it, especially being able to visit this wonderful little park. You guys can walk home with me and see what I see. Little perro there. See if he's going to be friendly to me. Hello, doggy. some of these houses are vacant over here, but I didn't spend a whole lot of time searching and trying to find out like which ones were actually for rent. But as we think about more permanency here, Coquel right now, honestly, is our top option. I think it's the one place that Bella might actually like better than Las Americas too, which is shocking. So we'll see. Another kitty.